Ask me anything.
How to create arrow function. Remove function keyword. Assign it to a variable. Put the arrow after parentheses. How to use arrow function with map method.
Here is the tutorials. Step 1. Put arrow function with empty body inside map method. Step 2. Press Enter key 3-4 times inside curly braces of arrow function body. It is just for creating some space for writing the logic. Now create a parameter variable inside of parentheses. Each item of array 1 by 1 received in this parameter for modification, like here we created user variable inside parentheses. Write your logic with this user parameter inside arrow function body and return some value that you want as modification on each item of array. Write the desired logic to create the return value. This return value of arrow function body will be treated as modification for that item. The logic inside function body must return some value, otherwise the value will set as undefined for those array items. You can see in console that returning value becomes the modification for those items. Let's again try out the map modification with another property of user object. We will map array of users into their names as shown. You can see the output now contains the modified array that contain the usernames of users array. This is because we have changed the return value to user.name as shown. In this way we can use map method with arrow function. In shorter syntax, if the modifications can be done in single line of arrow function, then we do not require the body of arrow function. We can remove the curly braces and put the return statement directly after the arrow as shown. With shorter syntax, the code become more clear and shorter.